Okay, last week I told you that I was going to start the mortgage mentoring series. Over the next 12 months, I was going to talk about whatever you, the listener, would like to talk about. And I was going to bring some other stuff to the table, like different loan products, things like that. Well, fortunately, Allison Creamer with Keller Williams asked a question. She wanted to know, how can you finance a home that needs repairs? For example, if you're buying a foreclosure and let's say you're a first-time home buyer, but you have a little bit of money, but maybe not quite enough to do the job. Well, Allison, here's the best way to do it. There's two different loans out there. There's on the construction side, which is the Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. It's a little more credit sensitive. Credit scores have to be a little closer to 700, 660 range. You can do that with a 10% down payment. Now, not everybody's walking around with 10% down payment. So, if you want to do it that way, and you've got great credit, and you decide you want to build equity quicker, and you want to finance repairs, it's called a construction of Perm renovation loan. Secondly, the government stepped in about 1976 and started offering this FHA 203K loan. Now, in my opinion, that is a phenomenal loan. It's a minimum down payment, 3.5%. Generally, you can get up to about $35,000 in repairs done to the house that you're buying. However, you have to use a contractor on both loans. There has to be reasonable estimates done. On the conventional loan, you'll need two sets of estimates. On the FHA loan, you just need one, but that's because the lender is going to send out somebody to ensure that what they're charging you is of value to what you're going to be getting. That's a great product because usually the minimum credit score is 620, 640. It's a typical FHA loan. But you know, the big benefit to me is this. A first-time home buyer buying a house that's, let's say, under market and they're getting it at a great deal or a great value, however you want to word it. What a great way to come up with a 3.5% down payment, put the repairs in. Some of the repairs may be tax deductible because you get that $1,500 tax credit back if you're doing energy efficient modifications. You move in after the work is done. To me, that's a great deal. Allison, I hope that answered your questions. If you have any questions of me, email me. Of course, you can call me at 431-4855 or on my cell phone at 757-301-9776. We'll see you next time.